3? Here.
No, I'm not a writer.
Okay.
If I find my way home, yeah. Wouldn't it be crazy? But you still amaze me. Wouldn't it be crazy? But you still amaze me. Wouldn't it be crazy? But you still amaze me. Wouldn't it be crazy? But you still amaze me. If I find my way home, yeah.
It is a full Toy Story kind of day. I got my ears on by Daisy Bell Designs, and I got my own design. And if you know, you know. Got my Woody bag. I don't think you're going to see that. But anyways, we're off to Hollywood Studios, and we've even got a reservation which Liam very kindly booked for us for Roundup Rodeo. So that's going to be interesting and something new. And then I'm hoping my plan of action is to go into Magic Kingdom this evening and watch Happily Ever After, but like properly watch it, because we saw it, a bit of it the other night, but we didn't see the projections. So that is the plan of action today. Who is messaging me? Alex is messaging me. That's reassuring, seeing as he's behind me. But yes, anyways, I will answer that.
We'll get that one pound.
You ready to go up and down?
Sorry?
Are you ready to go up and down?
Only on the best ride ever. Look at it.
To be done, but I'm a bit gutted because it's rock solid, and that means it's not going to be as good. They're always better when they're a bit gooey. Meh.
Just out the oven.
Yeah, that's it. They're warm, but so this one is so rock solid. When I broke it in half, one I got on Alex's shorts, so he's annoyed.
I pissed myself.
It broke a nail off, so I've gone back and asked could I swap it, but they said they wouldn't take this one back. I've got to throw it away.
Because she took a bite out of it.
Yeah, it's not like I thought they were going to resell. I just thought they would throw it away. So now I've got another one, but it still looks solid.
Second hand,
Mum likes it. I'm so excited.
He's taking the kids away. That's it. You're screwed.
Yeah, that'd be better than me having to.
Ready for it? Looking at these phones, great big smash phones.
We got to do it once on the trip for Alex. Hope he appreciates this.
What?
I was saying we got to do it once on the trip for Alex.
Not doing too bad.
Come on, let's get another container of coaxium. Pilots, line up behind.
Oh, sorry, I'm waving it too much.
Gunners, fire the shot.
Oh.
Gunners, shoot the train. Oh, shit, take it. Oh,
Faster, Demi.
You can do it, Debbie. You can do it.
Pump it, Demi, pump it.
Oh,
That wasn't me.
Oh, that's ridiculous.
oh no.
We're going to get out of here. Yes, a distraction. Fire the missiles at the tree.
Missiles, people, missiles. Oh my god, I'm sorry.
Oh my
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Down, down, up.
Hit the goose spots.
First, something.
Where's the bird?
But we made it. Now, let's get down.
We're good pilots, I think.
On this project,
Well done, guys.
your cut,
Good job, everybody. Good job.
damaging the Falcon is, hey, not bad.
100%, baby. Oh, 28.
Stick to civilian channels, civilian.
Sorry, Dad. Sorry, Dad.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Go
I
get our
look really
food on.
pretty, actually.
You do, you look
My
lovely.
eyes.
And the wind is just a complete vibe, but it is making my hair flat.
I like the way I look a bit like this big one.
You ready to eat
Everything.
everything and anything? You can see a reflection of me in your glasses.
Salt, utensils, napkins, you.
All the ketchup. No,
Maybe.
that was inappropriate. Ready?
Yeah. He's got a pickle in his pocket.
Prehistoric fun.
You are the prehistoric
That's
fun.
it.
Come on then. Go over there. Go over to the prehistoric fun.
No, the kiddies are there.
No, they're not.
They are.
Let's get them out of the way. Grab them by the neck. Go on. Go, go, go.
In the corner.
Anywhere but here. Go. Just something.
Away.
Do something. Come on, monkey. This is what happens. Instead of hangry, you get. Thank you.
Trixie and Jesse hanging out over here.
So, well, these biscuits, like a Caesar salad with a bit of apple, and then cucumber, watermelon slices, and it all comes out like a little buffet. Help yourself.
Making
Can I take the menu? I am just going to quickly have a peruse. Root two. So you can basically pick from either the sort of more plain or the full barbecue. You then have to pick 4 sides to the table. These are the desserts. You get your refills included, but if you want alcohol or extras, they are extra monies. I got my Minute Maid lemonade, so I'm in heaven.
order Chinese?
Rider in the west, to the dino, and get a big roar from the one you've all been waiting for. The one, the only, Bernie Cyrus James!
So Deb's
So
meal's
this
just
is
been
the
put on the
main.
table.
Yeah, this is for Debbie. Ours is still to come out. You've got all the meats. What were these ones called? Married spuds.
So you got married spuds, fried pickles.
Forcefield fried pickles.
Is that the slinky mac and cheese?
Slinky dog mac and cheese. And then campfire roasted vegetables. Which they're not for me, so you can have those. Oh, bless, he's holding all that. Got to stay still.
Where is it? I know I left it around here somewhere. Mom! Have you seen my cowboy belt buckle? I can't find it. Never mind. Yeehaw! It's rodeo time.
Well done, cowpokes.
I'll be over subject with that stuff.
Right, we've got Forky, cupcake. Read them out, Alex.
I can't remember them.
This is an apple crumble. This is the
Blueberry
chocolate
cheesecake,
blueberry.
apple crumble, strawberry shortcake.
Peach and strawberry. Got
Peach and strawberry
apple and
Alex's.
chocolate.
chocolate. What's your review of that then?
Like, as Disney food goes for that style, like 10. Because they will just keep bringing you food and food and more and more
Yeah.
and more food.
Oh, look. They're skipping, bless them.
Anyway, back to the important people.
Yeah. I'd say the sides
The sides were better than
are
the main.
better than the meat.
Yeah,
Yeah, I preferred
prefer the four.
the tots and the mac and cheese, and then I also actually preferred the starter over the main. What would you say?
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah?
agree.
Why are you smiling so much
My
at?
brain goes elsewhere, I'm sorry.
Oh, yeah. Has anyone actually listened to what Woody says throughout this park? Because it actually is a lot of innuendos and it's quite,
Howdy.
it is quite inappropriate. Like, listen out and then you may see. Doing my usual film whilst I walk to the bus because I forget to film. But we had the nicest day. I have got a little bit burnt on my shoulders, so that wasn't very smart. So I've got very attractive loungefly strap marks. But we've been back to the room, we've freshened up, and we are off to Polynesian and sit on the beach with some lovely friends and watch the fireworks. Perfection. But yeah, get the bus now, even though Alex is late, and I'm pretty sure I just seen the Magic Kingdom bus, so now we're going to miss it because he takes forever to get ready. I got dressed first.
No comment.
Where's your duck? It's not actually for Donald, but we'll pretend it is. Not gonna be. I love trainers, but still. I'm to do a dance party. I wish. No one would dance with me, I'm sure.
We're going to leave the forest behind and make our way down to the Safi River. Safi River is going to be a great place to look for aquatic animals. Remain seated. Everyone needs to remain in their seats. Everyone in their seats. Down. Those dogs are the most successful hunters on the set with the big horns, and these are wildebeest, so we're closer to the truck.
That's how they make.
Oh. Go home. Not you, Andy, you're fine. Just this one, go home.
I'd like to go home now.
Why did we all get the memo of the tops?
Well, I didn't. This is what apparently stained on my back.
She's still going. Got it. Cool for about 5 minutes. What did you go for?
Cinnamon toast crunch.
Oh, it's a bit close.
The peanut butter explosion was like that tall. Ridiculous. We've
Yeah.
got to do the boat.
No, no, don't sit down. Don't sit down, otherwise you won't want to get up. It's been an amazingly nice day. It's been hot, but really nice. Been in Animal Kingdom, got on everything there. Then went over to Springs and had chicken guy. So good. Alex got an Everglazed as I put in the video, and then we're now by the pool. We were playing catch, but it's been nice and chilled. And then we're just going to go out later this evening. I think Alex wants to go to Epcot because we've been in Magic Kingdom a few times. Yeah, we're going to see what we feel like in a bit. And then, I don't know, that's it really for the day. Hello! What up? Let's check.
Experimental, prototype, utility of tomorrow.